Are you tired of feeling like there just aren't enough hours in the day? What if I told you there are AI tools that can save you 10 hours or more every single week, without sacrificing quality? In this video, I'm going to share 7 AI tools that will handle repetitive work for you, speed up your workflow, and free you up to focus on the things that actually move your business or career forward. First up is Zapier. Zapier is the king of automation. It connects your favorite apps together and lets them talk to each other, without any coding. Here's a simple example. Every time someone fills out a form on your website, Zapier can automatically add them to your CRM, send them a welcome email, and update your Google Sheet. You don't have to touch a thing. And it's not just for marketing. You can use Zapier to send Slack alerts for new sales, back up important files automatically, or update spreadsheets with new customer data in real time. Pro tip, start with their pre-made Zap templates. You'll be up and running in minutes instead of building everything from scratch. Next up is Otter AI. If you spend hours in meetings or classes, Otter is going to be your new best friend. It records your conversations, transcribes them in real time, and even generates summaries so you can quickly review the key points. Need to share meeting notes with your team? Otter can automatically send a clean timestamped transcript to everyone. It's also great for interviews or brainstorming sessions. You can focus on the conversation instead of scrambling to take notes. Pro tip, sync it with Zoom or Google Meet so every call is recorded and transcribed automatically. Let's talk about email, the hidden time thief of your day. Superhuman is an AI-powered email platform that helps you get through your inbox at lightning speed. It prioritizes important messages, suggests quick replies, and lets you snooze emails for later. If you've ever wasted an afternoon answering the wrong emails first, Superhuman fixes that by putting your most important conversations at the top. It also has keyboard shortcuts that let you clear your inbox without touching your mouse. Once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Social media can easily eat up hours every week, but Publer AI can give that time back. Publer schedules your posts across multiple platforms, writes captions, and even repurposes content for different channels. For example, you could post a single update to Publer, and it will automatically create a short Instagram caption, a LinkedIn summary, and a Twitter-friendly version. It even suggests hashtags and best posting times for maximum reach. Pro tip, batch create all your social content for the week in one sitting, then let Publer post it while you focus on other work. For customer service, Tidio is a lifesaver. Tidio's AI chatbot can answer common questions instantly, guide customers to the right products, and collect leads while you're busy doing other things. It's not just for big businesses. Small businesses can use it to make their website feel like it has a 24/7 support team. And if the bot can't answer a question, it hands the conversation over to you seamlessly, so customers still get personal attention when needed. For organizing your thoughts and projects, Notion AI is a powerhouse. Notion already lets you keep notes, task lists, and databases in one place. With AI built in, it can summarize long documents, brainstorm new ideas, and turn rough notes into clean, usable text. You can even use it for content planning, meeting agendas, or personal goal tracking. Pro tip, create a second brain workspace in Notion, then let AI help you organize and retrieve anything instantly. And finally, ChatGPT. It's one of the most versatile AI tools out there. Whether you need to draft an email, outline a report, brainstorm marketing ideas, or answer a tough question, ChatGPT can help. It's not just about text. You can have it create spreadsheets, help plan events, or even role-play as a customer so you can test your sales process. Pro tip, save your best prompts in a document so you can reuse them and get consistent results every time. Now, here's where the magic happens. When you combine these tools, the time savings multiply. Imagine Zapier automating your workflows, Otter taking meeting notes, Superhuman clearing your inbox, Publer running your social media, Tidio answering customer questions, Notion AI keeping you organized, and ChatGPT filling in the gaps. That's how you save 10+ hours a week without cutting corners, and often produce better work than before. Which of these tools do you think would save you the most time? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be replying to as many as I can. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Logithor for more AI tools, tips, and strategies to help you work smarter.